Hello students, I hope you're all doing fine. For today's class, I would like to take a civics revision class on our previous chapters from chapter 23 to 26 to help you prepare for your upcoming half-yearly exams. So students, listen carefully to my instructions so that you won't get confused when you appear your exam on your civics subject. In your question number 1 and question number 2, you will have three questions each of fill in the blanks and true or false questions. For that, you have to be very careful in reading them 2 or 3 times again, as the questions will be twisted and will not be coming or written exactly as in the textbook. And the rest of your 68 marks will be question answer type patterns. Some will be short notes answers. Some will be long answer types of questions. So each and every questions and answers will be equally important for your exams. And also you did not need to study the answers or make questions and answers of those which I did not give you all. And compositions of answers relevant to the questions and in accordance to the marks will be very much welcome and appreciated. However, you are not allowed to copy from your friends or from your notebook. Write them from what you learn and from your own knowledge. Moreover, in writing the answers, try to follow the patterns that I taught you all in the class, such as writing in paragraph or after two fingers. And you are not to write it too congested in your answer sheets. And also try to maintain your margins and such other things. In chapter 23 on understanding diversity, we have learned about the meaning of diversity. It means our oneness in spite of our differences in race, ethnicity, gender, personal qualities, cultural, religions, and regional differences. For this chapter, you did not need to read or learn or make notes on question number 5, number C, and question number 6, number B. And myths the rows are unnecessary. On chapter 24, on the topic prejudice, discrimination, and inequality, we have learned the meaning of prejudice, which means an unreasonable opinion about a person, which is formed without much thought or knowledge. And discrimination is an unfair treatment given to any person. And a stereotype is a fixed idea that we have about someone on their first impression and which is often not true. For this chapter 2, you did not need to learn question number 4, Maths de Rose, and question number 6, number E. The rest are all equally important. On chapter 25, we have learned what is a government. A government is either a person or a group of people who are responsible for controlling and managing the affairs of a country or state. We have learned about the three types of government, such as a monarchy which is ruled by a king or a queen, a democracy where the government are chosen by the people through elections, and dictatorship where a single person or a group of people rule the country. We have also learned about the suffragette movement, which means it is the fight for women's right to vote. The suffragette movement will be very important for your long answer type questions. And we have also learned about the anti-apartheid struggle under Nelson Mandela. For your exercise questions, you do not need to learn question number 2. Choose the correct answers as well as match the rows in question number 4 and question number 6, number E. On your chapter 26 on the topic Essence of Democracy, we have learned about the meaning of universal adult franchise, which means all people above the age of 18 years can vote in an election and choose their representatives. In this chapter, we have learned about the importance of checks and balances and the meaning of public opinion and the reason for conflicts in a government and how to resolve the conflicts. In this chapter, you do not need to study, choose the correct answers as well as match the rows, as well as in question number 6, question number B, and the rest of the questions will be important for your exams.